This car turns 13 years old this year, and this interior has aged like fine wine. And if you look on Auto Trader now, you can find similar examples with the same amount of kilometers on them for close to 80,000 Rand. And the attention to detail the engineers took with this interior just boggles my mind. For example, the cup holders are hidden away behind this folding door. And also you got a small cookies compartment here in front. And it's just, they thought about everything. And then the nicest thing about this interior is that there's no gear knob here. Everything is just flush and looks super premium. And one last feature that I absolutely love about this vehicle, that it is automatic, but it's got paddle gear shifters for when you want to drop a gear and just go past someone on the highway or want to maybe drive on your own ability. It's just interesting to see how this manufacturer really thought about everything, and that still in today's time, this car is so relevant in my opinion. And for 80,000 Rand, would you consider buying this car? Let me know in the comment section what car you think this is. And this weekend I'll be driving it, so I'll be doing a lot of videos on it as well.